Haslup.
Thank you. The Albanese government understands the pressures that are being felt across Australia in homes, particularly in my electorate of Haslup. I hear regularly from people who are experiencing particular cost of living pressures, such as pensioners who are nearly close to paying off their mortgage but not quite, and are now quite concerned about the interest rate rises and what that means for them, and young families who are just working hard to try and get ahead. So while the RBA will make its own decisions on how to manage the interest rate rise, we are delivering on our commitments that we made at the election to help reduce the cost of living. In education and training, for example, the government is providing 20,000 extra university places, and in my electorate of Haslup, Curtin campus has a health science focus, so that will mean many students will get access a career pathway into the health. And additionally, with Midland TAFE as well, I'm lucky to have that in the Midland precinct, and the prospective students there will be benefiting from a number of fee-free places, as well as commitments to advanced technology in renewable manufacturing of wind turbines. So that's 180,000 fee-free places across Australia. Being able to step into a new job, upgrade skills, at no cost will be a way of getting ahead. In health, we know how much pressure there is on hospital systems around the nation, and this is why the commitment, as we saw through the recommendations coming from the Strengthening Medicare Task Force report, will result in now there being more additional urgent care clinics, and for Midland we will have a return of fee-free bulk billing urgent care clinic, and I look forward to welcoming Minister Butler to the electorate to discuss that, but also the opportunity to have a second one out in the growth corridor of Ellenbrook. We need to take the pressure off emergency departments, and we know that that's the way forward to do so. Additionally, we've heard the great news that for the first time ever, we're getting a reduction in the PBS prescription costs. So that's the maximum co-payment is now dropping from $42.50 down to $30. That is a way of reducing the costs on individuals and families when it comes to their take-home pay. Early childhood education, so many wonderful young families across the electorate of Haslup who are looking to get ahead, being able to return to the workforce early because you know that there's an opportunity for your children to be able to access early childhood education is that way. From my electorate, 5,000 families will benefit from being able to access affordable early childhood childhood centres, and that's 1 million families across Australia. We also saw this week the Housing Future Fund.
Time has expired.
Oh, thank you.